So you are ready to join Netflix on your iPhone? Let me show you the step-by-step process on how you can create new Netflix account quickly and easily. So first you have to open up your app store on your iPhone, then search for Netflix in the search bar. So when you find the official Netflix app, just tap on Get or this button and install it right here. After it's installed successfully, just open it up. And now when you open Netflix, you may see a message saying that to create an account. So from here, just tap on continue and it will redirect you to the official Netflix sign up page in your browser. So now from this page, choose create an account and then you have to enter your email address first. So here you have to make sure this email hasn't been used for Netflix before. Now Netflix will send a sign up link to your email. Now open your inbox and find the email from Netflix. And when you find it here, just tap on the link and it will take you to the page where you can finish setting up your account. Now you just have to choose your plan. Netflix offers different plans based on video quality and the number of devices. Now select the one that fits your needs. I recommend this one, but now for this video, I just choose this one because I already have an account. So after choosing your preferable plan, then we have to choose our payment method. And so for that, we have to enter card details like card number, expiry date, CVV, the 3-digit code on back of your card, and the name on the card. After filling in everything correctly, now we have to check the agreement box and tap Start Membership. And your account is created successfully. You can set up your profile, add your name, create additional profiles if needed, and choose your language. And right after that, personalize your preference. And finally, go back to the Netflix app. And now in the top right corner, go for sign in. And now you have to enter the same email and Netflix will send you a verification code on your given email. So when you find the code, just enter it here and start streaming. That's it. Now you can enjoy your Netflix the way you want. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.